Listen, there's many ways to build unity, okay? But I want to build the right kind of unity. We're not just coming together just to come together, you know? It's about the purpose, right? So, as a Christian, first and foremost, my purpose is to love my neighbor as myself. I think my neighbor deserves the basic human rights. I think the people who govern Rwanda today fought to give us these basic human rights. They gave them to themselves, then they gave them to us. I think we come together when we're reminded that we were always together. There's a word, igitangaza. I think in Kinyarwanda, igitangaza is hard to translate, right?
Yep.
It means surprise, but it also means miracle. It can be scary, it can be good. Even in the Bible, I mean, the Tower of Babel, right? So people who come together can't be stopped, you know? So I've seen in politics how politicians can bring their people together by giving them a common enemy, right? That's propaganda. So that's one way, but I don't like that way, right? Some of our neighbors do that.
Yeah.
Literally, the only thing they come together is hating us, but it's okay. I mean, misery loves company, but anyways. I think we need to be brought together because we need to give Rwanda back its value.
Yeah.
That our parents' generation did when it was, our parents sang songs about this land being of milk and honey when there was no milk and honey, you know?
Yeah.
We have milk and honey and some, and we're still singing their songs.
Yeah.
Do you get that? Their songs are still great. I mean, their songs will always be great. But we should have been able to, you know, we're both artists, you know, I sing as well, and we sit and we're like, oh, like we need to write that thing that really, you know. And I think our artists are doing that with the 250 album that just came out. That was a really cool release. But it's almost like how there's people exploring space, but we don't know what's in our oceans, you know? It's like that. Rwandans are exploring, you know, papillon libre, you know, but they don't know what we have. Like, if you knew what was in your backyard, you would be here watering the grass we have instead of looking for greener pastures, because, yeah.